Hi guys, my name's James Earnshaw. I'm Wella's digital ambassador, and I'm so excited to be sharing with you today Solid Lights. Solid Light is a brand new take on 90s chunky textured highlights, but the difference is working with diagonal sections a little bit further away from the root when lightening to create a more lived in, kind of cooler feel to the look. For this look today, I've used Koleston Perfect and Blonde or Plex. Blonde or Plex is my go-to lightener because the Plex being integrated into the product, it's super quick, super easy. Koleston Perfect is amazing due to its vast portfolio of colour. I have so many options and choices to work with. If you want to be inspired and see more videos like this one, be sure to subscribe to the Wella Professionals YouTube channel.